All right, so boom, this goes out to all my people that want to drink and drive. I hope this teaches you guys a lesson because look at this guy right here. Unbeknown, he turns onto the train tracks and he gets his car stuck. Mind you, this is a whole, I believe, a Dodge Challenger. He has a whole Hellcat right there. And bro, now he's over there trying to rev it and shit.
Get my shoes! No! No! Just get my shoes! Get my shoes! Hurry up!
See, this is why I say most of females are just fucking stupid. Because why are you complaining to me about a shoe and my car is stuck on the fucking track? Fuck your shoes.
Get my shoes, Jake! Hurry! Get my shoes! Right here!
We're fucking done.
Oh my god! I don't give a fuck! Get over here now! Let's push! Jake, let's fucking push!
Kids, don't drink and drive. Or you're gonna be like this dumb motherfucker.